Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and this is Change of Plans with Angie. In today's video, we are going to be doing our very first junk journaling spread. So if this sounds like something that interests you, please continue to watch. All right, guys, thank you so much for returning. I am so happy to be here with you guys today. I'm so happy that you are watching this video, and I am nervous. If y'all can't tell, I am super nervous to do this junk journaling spread with you guys. Now, I'm going to be honest. I talked about it in my last video when I did this unboxing. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. I said I was going to try it by myself, and then I was going to do it with you guys. And the more I thought about it, I'm like, oh, girl, stop being a coward. Stop being a scaredy cat. Y'all are my friends, right? We're all friends here. So if I make a mistake, I feel like you guys will be forgiving. So we're going to do it together, okay? I'm so scared. I'm so scared and nervous. Like, I'm sweating. Like, my underarms are wet. Like, oh my gosh. But anyway, I'm rambling because I'm nervous, if y'all can't tell. So here's what we're going to do. Let me show you. I'm going to move this box to the side. Now, we are going to decorate the cover. So if you are familiar with this Kellofaplan and WhimsyLuxe collab, I believe the box is sold out over on Kellofaplan's website, but the individual, like, I don't know if the planner is still there, but you can do this in any, junk journal. We're going to be using this planner here. I did pick up this cover off of Amazon. It arrived today. I feel like it was less than $10 because I want to protect what I'm putting on the front. I have the sticker book. I'm sorry, this is not the sticker book. This is a scrap paper book that we're going to be using. We're going to try this. It's like a glue tape stick, like a clickable one. And then I just have the sticker book that came with the box. I did grab some washi that I think would go really good with the idea that I have. I have a pair of tweezers. These are the precision tweezers from Kiwi Crafts Co. Y'all know I'm on her team and I love her brand. So if you want to pick these up or anything from her website, which is kiwicraftsco.com, I have a code for you guys, which is Angie10 to save you 10%. I love these tweezers. And then I have a doll from my shop, which is Essential Joy. I'll also link that down below, that I feel like is going to go with the vibe that I want to create. So enough talking, let's get to it. All right, first we're going to open up this glue pen because I know that I'm going to need it. And we're going to figure out how this stuff works together. I am going to go ahead and put the box on the floor because I need space. And we're going to make sure we are recording because that would be very tragic if we were not. All right, I'm going to pull this out. And I only stuck it in here because I wanted to make sure that it did fit. But again, it was super cheap. And it does have a pen holder. So I want to at least try to protect it. So the idea that I have, if you're not familiar, we know we have that one weird page that's messed up. But it's like a off-white. And I bought a bunch of stuff. I went crazy on the Live Love Posh new release. I can show you that in another video if you guys are interested. But I was like, hey, I want to go ahead and just do this cover and do it with you guys, and we'll go from there. So first things first, let's find some paper. And I feel like I saw a polka dot in here that I feel like would go with the vibe. Let's see if I can find it again. This one. I feel like I kind of want to do the edge. I'm trying to debate. Do I want to do it like this and this? Hold on. I think I'm going to try this way and this way. Okay. So we're going to tear a corner. Maybe that. Let me tear another corner. This corner is going to go that way, so we need to tear it. Like that. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Yes. Okay. Ignore my squeaky chair. Kind of like that. Is that too much? Maybe I'll tear it. I feel like that might be a little too much. Too much paper. And I'm going to keep this as a scrap because that's what junk journaling is about. We'll do like that. And then I'm going to get rid of a little bit of this too. Yeah, I'm winging it. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't. But I hope it looks like a masterpiece when we're all done. And then I kind of, hopefully y'all seeing the vision. I want to put like a doll. I want to like put my name. Maybe we can tie in like some gingham. Like, I don't know. I don't know. But hang tight. I'm going to be right back with you guys after I glue this down. We're back. I have gone ahead and glued that down. Let's figure out where we want to put this doll. This is Micah. If you're familiar with her from my shop, she's on my current release. I love her. She's fabulous. She does have on light pink pumps with the silver purse. So I feel like we kind of want to put Micah like over here. Decorate. I'm trying to figure out where I want to put my name. So let's add her. Actually, do we want to do a little washi? Yeah, when I tell you I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Do we like that? No, we don't. We'll go back and figure it out later. I'm gonna apologize in advance. This video is gonna be chaos, but it's okay. Because if you're scared to start like me, don't feel afraid. Just do it. All right, so we have our girl here. Ooh, I love it. She is so cute. So what I want to do right now is I want to make sure the things that I know that I want to do, I get them done. So again, these are my tweezers. I'm going to go to the back of this book. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing still, and you can. I saw some letters. So we're going to spell out Angie. We're going to try to, if I can get it out. Hang on. We have A. N. Let's grab the I. We need an E. And we need a G. Okay. So now we just need to figure out where we want it to go. Kind of feel like right here. We'll do A. N. G. I. E. Okay, so that leaves us some space to add like some decorative elements. Now in this video, I'm only using what came out of this box, but trust and believe, I have this one and I have one from the Happy Planner. We're gonna fill her all up. So let's figure out from the book. I'm going to pick things that I think go well, but also things that just stand out to me. I do want to put like a little quote on here. But let's just start filling her up. Let's see. I'm just flipping through it because I haven't looked. Like that flower. I do like that black bow. Or do I like that black bow? Hold on. I like the lace. Let's try this one. Love it. Now we gotta put some color in here. Everything can't be black and white. So let's I saw something like this. Put that there. I think we'll do a little washi. I'll do that there. I want to do like a little saying. Let's see. Make it happen. Be brave. Be bold. Be you. Cherish the moment. Let your dreams grow. Create magic. Choose joy. Be a voice, not an echo. I kind of like that one. Can we layer that? Oh, that's crooked. I can already tell. Hang on, y'all. That's adorbs. Let's see. These earrings are calling my name. I'm struggling, y'all. I'm struggling because I know it's supposed to be wild and crazy, and wild and crazy ain't me. I don't know how to be messy. I do like this pink flower. I'll put that there. I'm kind of torn. I really like this mouth. White. Trying to stay away from the black and the white. I'm probably annoying you guys because you're like, just put it down. Throw anything in. I'm like, I can't. I can't. I don't just want to put a random button there. How about a little disco ball? Nope. I like that. Maybe this big star. That's cute. I'll do this one. If I can grab it. I'm struggling trying to. Let me try this one. Oh, this little Somebody calling my name, but where? I don't like that. We're gonna add like 1 or 2 more things, and that's it, because this is still new to me and I'm feeling overwhelmed. In your dreams, that's cute. How about the, do I like the phone? I kind of, nope, too big. Don't like it. Maybe I'll do the cassette tape. I kind of like the flow going this way. And maybe we'll do this pink paper clip. Let's try the tweezers, because your girl is struggling getting this stuff out this book. But it's also a paper book, so I'm trying not to like tear it up real bad. I'm just trying to see if there's anything else small that I would like to add. Do you guys junk journal? If you do, tell me down below. Give me some tips and tricks. I know the idea is just to put anything down. And I know the messy look. I've been like saving stuff. Like, y'all be very proud of me. Because remember in a previous video, I was like, I don't know nothing about saving just junk. And I have been saving things. I really have. Like, y'all be very proud of me for doing it. I think that's enough. I think that's enough. Getting overwhelmed. And we're going to stop right there. I think it looks cute. I know a couple of the little pieces are coming up, but it's okay because it's going in a cover. But this, I am proud of. I will not lie to you. I am very proud of it. I might even decorate the back. Not today, but we have to start slow. So we're going to fold that back in there. Hopefully. Okay, everything's laying flat. Okay, woo. I was scared that I was gonna peel up some stuff, but I love that. I'm gonna pat myself on the back, because I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Doing it on camera, a planner, I got you all day. Even though I still get nervous making videos, a planner I can do. This, just throw it together and hope it sticks, is new to me. We're going to do a lot more of these, because just like I got comfortable doing my planner, I am going to get comfortable doing this. Like, that is what I promise, and we will do it together. If y'all want to junk journal, come on and do it with me, and we will learn as we go. If you have any tips and tricks, let me know down below. So I just want to thank you all for spending some time with me today. Don't forget to come on over to Instagram. My name is Change of Plans with Angie. I'll go ahead and put that link down below. If you're interested in this doll, which is mica, or anything that I have in my shop, I'll put my shop down below as well. I will tag anyone that I have mentioned down below as well. And also, if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, we have tons more videos to come. So go on and hit that subscribe button. Y'all can tell I'm rusty. I ain't made a video in a long time. So we're about to get on and popping. I've got tons of videos coming this month. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.